Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students of grade 6, Assalamu alaikum. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Nahid. I welcome you all to Pakistan International School's Distance Learning Program, English Language Lesson 1, Week 4. My dear students, before we begin with today's lesson, let us first of all recapitulate what we have covered so far. My dear students, in your previous lesson, we had discussed about maintenance of notebooks, term, syllabus, procedure of assessment, identification of noun, introduction, classification, and importance of English language and grammar. My dear students, it's your first class of week 4. After attending today's class, you will be able to identify personal pronoun and its cases correctly. My dear students, let us see what are personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are used to represent people. They can show the first person, the speaker, second person, the person being spoken to, or third person, the person being spoken about. Saba is my sister. In this sentence, Saba is a noun. It is being replaced with pronoun she in the second sentence. She is my sister. My dear students, we use pronouns like he, her, us, them to make our sentences less repetitive and less cumbersome. My dear students, grammarians have classified personal pronouns into 4 kinds. They are subjective personal pronouns, objective personal pronouns, possessive personal pronouns, and reflexive personal pronouns. My dear students, a subjective personal pronoun indicates as the pronoun is acting as the subject of the sentence. They are I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. My dear students, an objective personal pronoun indicates as the pronoun is acting as an object. Our objective personal pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, you, and them. My dear students, possessive personal pronoun indicates as the pronoun is acting as a marker of possession and defines who is the owner. They are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, theirs. My dear student, a reflexive personal pronoun is used to refer back the action to the subject of the sentence. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves are reflexive personal pronouns. Momina looked at herself in the mirror. In this example, herself is reflexive personal pronoun. My dear students, let us practice now. My dear students, select the answer choice that identifies a pronoun in each sentence. Ali and I went to an art exhibit together. We have 4 options and our task is to identify pronoun. Ali and I art. I give you few seconds to think. Okay. Our correct answer is I. I is pronoun in these 4 options. I is a first person singular personal pronoun, subjective case. Pronouns are words that can be used in place of nouns. Ali is a name and hence a proper noun. And is a conjunction connecting Ali and I. Art in this sentence is an adjective modifying the noun exhibit. That information was confidential between Sana and me. We have 4 options again. That, was, between, and me. We have to identify pronoun only. Okay, the correct option is me. Me is the first person singular personal pronoun objective case. It is used when the pronoun is an object. I is used when the pronoun is the subject. Here it is the object of the preposition between. That is an adjective modifying the noun information. Was is the past tense of the verb to be. So our answer is me because it's pronoun. But I thought you gave those things to them yesterday. We have 4 options, but gave those them. Identify pronoun. Our pronoun is them. Them is the third person plural personal pronoun, objective case. Here it is the indirect object of the preposition to. But is a conjunction. Gave is the past tense of the verb to give. Those is plural demonstrative adjective modifying the noun things. So them is our pronoun and that is correct answer as well. My dear students, now we have another sentence and we have to identify our pronoun. Something about the arrangement did not look right to her, and we have 4 options: her, did, the, not. I count 1 to 5. Let's see whether your answer is correct or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our correct answer is her. It's pronoun. Ali told me that he had wanted to be a nurse all of his life. We have 4 options again: Ali, that, his, nurse. And our correct option is his. His is pronoun. His is the third person singular possessive personal pronoun. It modifies the noun life. My dear students, with this we have come to an end of our today's class. Kindly solve your worksheets based on identification and use of personal pronoun and its cases. Goodbye.